India's air defense system, a powerful shield in the sky. In today's era of advanced aerial threats, India stands strong by protecting its skies by one of the world's most formidable air defense networks. Modern warfare extends beyond borders. Threats now come from the skies. India's strategic response, a layered integrated air defense system. An air defense system is a shield, detecting, tracking, and destroying airborne threats like drones, missiles, and fighter jets. It combines radar surveillance, command and control centers, and surface to air missiles in a layered defense network. The goal? To guard cities, bases, and borders from the skies. India's defense is structured in layers: short range, medium range, and long range systems, each designed to intercept threats at different altitudes and distances.
Long-range interception provides a powerful advantage by destroying threats far before they reach critical targets. It gives defense systems more time to react, reduces pressure on lower-tier interceptors, and strengthens national deterrence. By engaging at distances beyond 150 kilometers, it forms the first and most vital layer of protection. Long-range interception is crucial because it allows threats to be neutralized early, before they get close to critical targets. It gives more reaction time, increases success rates, and forms a strong first line of defense, turning distance into safety. Systems like the S-400 Barak ATR and PAD form the backbone of long-range interception, neutralizing threats before they reach our skies.
At long range, the Russian-made S-400 Triumph, nicknamed Sudarshan Chakra, can strike threats up to 380 kilometers. It is one of the world's most advanced air defense systems. Designed for high-altitude, long-range defense, the S-400 can neutralize enemy aircraft, missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles with pinpoint accuracy.
During Operation Sindoor, the S-400 system proved its unmatched effectiveness, detecting and neutralizing aerial threats with precision at long ranges. Its advanced radar and missile capabilities showcased why it's a cornerstone of modern air defense. The Barak ATR, which is an extended-range version of Barak 8, developed jointly by Israel Aerospace Industries and India's DRDO, is a cutting-edge long-range air defense system. Designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles at ranges up to 150 kilometers, it features an active radar seeker, vertical launch system, and 360-degree coverage. With its rapid response and high-altitude engagement capability, the Barak ATR is a powerful shield for modern air defense. India's medium-range air defense systems form a crucial layer in its multi-tiered shield. Barak 8 medium-range surface-to-air missile, Akash surface-to-air missile, quick reaction surface-to-air missiles are designed to intercept enemy aircraft, drones, and missiles at ranges between 30 to 100 kilometers. These systems offer fast reaction, all-weather capability, and precision targeting, ensuring protection of key military and civilian assets across the nation. India's short-range air defense systems provide the final protective layer against close-in threats. Systems like the Spider SR Akash and OSA-AK are designed to quickly detect and neutralize low-flying aircraft, helicopters, drones, and cruise missiles within a range of up to 30 kilometers. Fast, mobile, and highly responsive, they safeguard vital zones and complement medium and long-range defenses in layered protection. At the highest level is the long-range air defense, RAD, designed to intercept enemy threats from beyond 150 kilometers. Next is the PAD, Prithvi Air Defense System. It operates in two phases. First, the exoatmospheric interception, targeting missiles outside Earth's atmosphere at altitudes between 80 to 100 kilometers. Then, the endoatmospheric phase, which intercepts threats around 30 kilometers altitude, just before impact. Complementing PAD is the AAD, Advanced Air Defense. Missiles, radars, and drones form the core of an air defense system. Radars detect and track threats, missiles intercept them, and drones provide critical surveillance, together creating a smart, layered shield against aerial attacks. BrahMos is one of the world's fastest supersonic cruise missiles, developed jointly by India and Russia. It can be launched from land, sea, air, and submarine platforms, striking targets with pinpoint accuracy at speeds of Mach 2.8 to 3. Versatile, precise, and powerful, it proved highly effective during Operation Sindoor. Its precision strikes and rapid deployment showcased India's offensive edge, reinforcing BrahMos as a key force multiplier in modern warfare. India's defense control centers act as the nerve centers of national security, coordinating surveillance, tracking threats, and enabling swift, unified responses across all layers of air defense. Modern warfare operates on two fronts, kinetic and non-kinetic. Kinetic warfare involves physical force, missiles, bombs, and gunfire. Non-kinetic warfare uses tools like cyber attacks, electronic jamming, and psychological operations to disrupt without direct destruction. The integration of systems like the S-400 Barak 8 and Akash enables India to establish a robust, 360-degree, multi-layered air defense network. Together, they provide seamless coverage across long, medium, and short ranges, ensuring rapid response and high interception capability against evolving aerial threats. India and Pakistan maintain distinct air defense capabilities shaped by their strategic needs. India has developed a multi-layered defense system, supported by indigenous systems and joint ventures with global partners. These systems offer interception ranges from short to over 400 meters, enabling a robust shield against diverse aerial threats. Pakistan, meanwhile, relies on a mix of Chinese-origin systems designed for medium to long-range defense. While capable, Pakistan's systems focus more on regional threat coverage and mobile air defense. India's edge lies in range depth, technological diversity, and integration with early warning systems. Pakistan emphasizes mobility, affordability, and rapid deployment. India currently leads in layered, long-range, and strategic air defense coverage. India's air defense system stands as a shield of unmatched precision, detecting, tracking, and neutralizing threats with deadly accuracy. From advanced radars to interceptor missiles, every layer works in perfect sync to guard our skies. Silent. Swift. Ready. This is India's air defense power. Jai Hind.
Thank you for watching. If the video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. S. Satyanarayana.